linking hands does a whole lot for me. It gets me to my doctor's appointments, even up the road here, because my legs have just about had it thanks to some cancer operations. They take me to the hospital if I've got any specialist appointment there and just wait for me.
Linking Hands helps the community by providing transport to medical appointments for those of us who, either because of poverty or for other reasons, can't get to our medical appointments any other way. So they've been a huge help.
Linking Hands helps me by getting myself and my children to the doctors and to counselling if need be.
There was one time one of the blokes here had to wait 5 hours before the hospital decided whether they were going to admit me or not.
The community needs Linking Hands because without them, being such a far-flung rural community, it would be very difficult for people to get to the doctors, particularly those who don't have their own transport, or for those who, because of financial constraints, can't afford to drive very often. And for me personally, I've had to go recently down to Auckland, and there's no way I could have afforded to make that trip without, Linking Hands' support.
They're really good. They let people know that there's someone out there that can help them, and when we don't have cars, and friends or family around to help us get to the doctors and get scripts and things like that.
But during this time of my cancer, rectal cancer, without Linking Hands I would be dead meat. Because you see, without Linking Hands, people like me without transport would have no chance of getting to these appointments. And Linking Hands goes all over the place. And all for a simple donation.
When I came to this community, I had nothing. My grandmother and I had left with just the clothes on our backs and whatever we had in our vans. So they provided furniture to get us started. They provided a lot of support in terms of helping us to arrange my grandmother's care and helping me to get to various medical appointments through that time. They've been an absolute blessing.
So many of us here without transportation all over the show would not have a chance to get to the doctor or anywhere of these they are lifesavers.
Life would be so hard without Linking Hands. It would be a struggle. I'd have to hitch and God knows what kind of things just to get to the doctors and to get my prescriptions for myself and my children.
Linking Hands is basically life support. Not only this community of Mangataroto, but all the big surrounding areas. It's a hell of a big area.
Linking Hands is really important to this area because there's no public transport. People need to get to their medical related appointments. We take them for a donation, and we rely very heavily on donations from other funders and small grants from businesses.